Hello my dear friends, welcome to the Discrete IAS. My name is Bharat Dhakad. In this video we are going to understand how to write a good essay. To write a good essay you need to follow the STAIR model. Let us understand what the STAIR model is. These are the stairs, and if I say that you are to move from this stair to this topmost stair in a smooth manner, then you will rise step by step and will reach the topmost stair without any problem. This is what the STAIR model conveys. That means if you are to traverse a journey from place 1 to another place, then you have to go step by step. If we apply the STAIR model while writing an essay, then it means prepare a rough outline before writing. Outline means outline should include the what you will write and how you will write. After preparing the outline, you have to put an effective introduction by using any quotation, by using any anecdote, or by using the name of any personality. After introduction, then you have to crack it in the dimensions as much as possible, like political, economical, social, technological, logic, legal, and educational. Okay, we say it pestle analysis. After doing the pestle analysis, you have to focus on the central idea of the given essay, and you have to substantiate your dimensions with examples, with suitable examples. Examples might be from current affairs or any static case study. After doing this much of exercise, you have to develop the linkages between paragraph 1 and paragraph 2, between dimension 1 and dimension 2, so that the examiner feels that this is a connected story rather than a segregated analysis. Okay, then ordering should be done in such a manner that when the examiner jumps from one paragraph to another paragraph, it should not feel uncomfortable. And finally, a positive conclusion heading towards positivity and positive possible solution should be there. Let us understand some tips which will shine your essay, which will make your essay like a star. Basically, there are two types of essays, like philosophical essays and journal essays. Philosophical essays have large scope of creativity, large scope of your own creativity. The journal essays regarding like geography or any environment or any current affair related topic have little scope of diversity. While writing essays, you have to uphold the constitutional values always. You have to give the primacy to the constitutional, to the constitutionality. Okay, there should be the lucidness in thoughts, in expressions. Okay, case studies and examples should be put as much as possible to give your essay a realistic view. There should be a little jargon as much as possible, and it means the statement should be short and precise. PYQ analysis, previous year question analysis, is very important because it gives you the glimpse of the past year themes that UPSC has asked. Last important thing is that you need to diversify your essay, because diversification will lead to opening of many dimensions, and opening of many dimensions will lead to the distinction in your essay. Last but not the least, you have to be the optimistic. You have to criticize constructively in the essay. I think you have got an idea how to write a good essay. Thank you so much. Ending this video.